In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Outlook account. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the website to landing in your new inbox, with helpful tips along the way to make everything smooth and secure. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Outlook.com. This is Microsoft's official site for Outlook email. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on the correct site before moving forward. On the home page, click the Create Free Account button. If the page shows someone already signed in, you can sign out or open a private browsing window to start fresh. Once you're on the account creation screen, it's time to choose your new email address. Enter a username that's simple, memorable, and appropriate for how you'll use the account. You can keep it professional or personal, just make sure it's something you're comfortable sharing. Next, choose the domain you prefer at Outlook.com or at Hotmail.com. Both work with the same Microsoft service, so it's purely a matter of preference. If your first choice is taken, try small variations until you find one that's available, then click Next. Now create a strong, secure password. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, or consider a long passphrase that's easy to remember but hard to guess. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to save it there so you won't lose access later. You'll be asked for a few personal details: your first and last name, your country or region, and your birth date. This information helps personalize your account and can assist with account recovery. Enter accurate details and click Next. To protect your account, Microsoft will ask you to verify that you're not a robot. Complete the on-screen puzzle or security check carefully. If it's tricky the first time, you can usually refresh it and try again. To finish setup, you may be asked whether you want to stay signed in. Choose Yes if you're on a private device you trust, or select No if you're on a shared or public computer to keep your account secure. After that, your new Outlook inbox will load. You're all set. From here, you can start sending and receiving emails right away. If you see optional prompts for things like theme or time zone, those are there to help you personalize your experience and can be adjusted later in settings. Enjoy your new Microsoft Outlook account and keep your sign-in details safe. Thanks for watching.